This is Satya Prediman of Cirrus Research. I want to call your attention to the latest issue of the briefing. The title for this month's issue is Speculation Remains as Leadership Broadens. The briefing report looks at market behavior. We look at it in terms of classic indices, but importantly, we look at it in terms of all cuts, sectors, industries, factors, and portfolio models. In this month's issue, as I said, we look at how the market is indeed. It looks like it's starting to broaden. Here's an interesting chart, the cover chart, where it relates the extended FANG stocks, or some people are calling it the Nifty 7. They've done quite well. However, what you'll notice in the month of July, that the smaller fry, the ARC funds, have started to really work better. A much broader holding of this sort of speculative flavor is starting to take hold. So what we're noticing is the market is starting to broaden. The ARC Next Generation Fund was up 14% or so in the month of July, compared to about 6% in the extended FANG names. The blue line here represents the broad market, of course, year to date. Importantly, our crowding model has started to temper a bit. In the month of June going into July, the crowding model flashed red. It started to pare back a little. So this idea about speculation is running its course. This model is saying, hey, it's getting later in the game. But the fact that we're starting to see the market broaden, even on the speculative side, is somewhat constructive when you really think about it. Additionally, what we're also seeing are other key segments of the market start to work. So what we've noticed are some of the infrastructure groups are indeed performing well. Even though the overall composite has lagged for the year, the absolute gains have been quite strong. In this recent period, we're noticing the energy-related names, the trucking and computer hardware names within our infrastructure index have done the best, whereas the telecom, alternative energy have lagged. So that's an example, though, of what we're seeing in this market. But at the heart of this, there is a broadening that seems to be underway. I do believe that some of this is supported by the overall profit cycle that's settling. It does look to us from our other work we've done, we are seeing evidence of the profit cycle bottoming. So this would fundamentally support why the market begins to broaden. With any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.